One of the important things to be aware of is that an LLC is about protection and not taxation. For a typical rental, the income will show up on your personal tax return the same way, whether the property is in an LLC or not. So the LLC doesn't provide any shortcut on your taxes. What it does do is separate the property from everything else you own. So any problem with the rental stays with the rental. Some of the downsides are just annoying. There's paperwork. Most states make you file a report every year or two, and missing a deadline can put your LLC out of good standing. There can be privacy concerns. The names and addresses on your LLC can become part of the public record, and if you use your home address, people can look that up. And it costs money to maintain an LLC. There's a one-time state filing fee, plus costs that you'll need to pay yearly. The good news is that when you use a registered agent service to set up your LLC, which is the method I'll show you today, you can handle most of those downsides. A registered agent is a person or company that receives official mail and legal documents for your LLC. And every LLC in every state is required to have one. The service that I recommend using is Northwest Registered Agent. Northwest lets you use their address on the filing instead of your home address. That handles the privacy problem. They operate in all 50 states, which matters because your LLC needs to live in the state where your property is. And they send you free reminders before your state's deadlines, which handles most of the paperwork problem. If you've only been following along so far, and you're now ready to start your LLC, remember to use the link in the description to make sure you're getting the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent. Congratulations on protecting your investment, and I'll see you in the next video.